Hello, virtual students. Okay, so today you guys are going to do trapezoid 6.6, P3, day 1. Be good for the sub. You can either, if you would like to stop, you can put it on the TV if you want to. Otherwise, you can just watch them on your iPad individually. Okay? I would love to say that I miss you guys all, but I'm outside, so I don't really. Okay, so these are trapezoids, and so we want to find the length of the mid-segment of each trapezoid. Okay, and so the mid-segment means the middle line, so to speak, okay? And so you can see on all of these, and so there's a really easy formula. Most of this is going to be addition or subtraction, okay? If you use one of my calculators, please put them back. But here is the formula. So we could say the middle is going to equal 1/2 the top plus the bottom. Okay, and I should have wrote it down a little bit further, but, or you could say, and I'm going to write it down here, you could say the middle equals the top plus the bottom, and then divided by 2, okay? And these are equivalent statements, okay? So if you're doing it on your calculator on your phone, you're going to say the top plus the bottom, and then just hit divided by 2. And I'll show you how to do it, okay? So we can look up here and know that we're looking for a middle, so that's going to be a question mark. Our top is 9.4 plus our bottom is 18.6. We're going to say divided by 2. Oh, it should be 9.4. Okay, so we can say 9.4 plus 18.6 is 28. Okay, so you're really going to have 28 divided by 2. So that's going to be 14. Okay, so what that's saying is our middle segment is 14. Now, if you get a number, okay, so the small one is 9. What they're saying is this is 14, and the even bigger one is 18.6. Okay, if you get a number like 28 in here, there's no way 28 is going to fit between 9 and 18. So you know that that's not right, okay? And a lot of this, you don't need to write all this stuff out, okay? So if we look at 3, we say the middle, which is our question mark, okay? The middle equals the top plus the bottom divided by 2. Okay, so we got the middle equals 7.3 is the top, plus the bottom is 8.3 divided by 2. Okay, and if you're doing it on these calculators, you can just hit this fraction button and type it all in one. So you can say 7.3 plus 8.3 over 2. And that gave us, and then if you get a fraction like this, you can hit the S to D button, and it's 7.8. So the middle is 7.8. Okay, and so it's really not that hard. When you're using your calculator, okay, when you're using your calculator, it's going to look like, let me find my phone. Okay, so on this page we got the middle equals the top plus the bottom divided by 2. Okay, so we got the middle is question mark equals the top, which is 8, plus the bottom, which is 14, divided by 2. Okay, and so on our phone, it's going to look like 8 plus 14, and then you can just say divided by 2, which is 11. Okay, and so even on your phone, they're very short, simple, easy problems. It's nothing extensive. If you need to pause or something because I'm going too fast, then please feel free. Okay, so we're going to got the middle equals the top, which is 24, plus the bottom, which is 78, divided by 2. Okay, so we have 24 plus 78, 24 plus 78 divided by 2. Okay, then the middle is going to be 51. Okay, so we got the middle is the top plus the bottom divided by 2. Okay, so we got the middle 7.7 plus the bottom 19.3 divided by 2. Okay, so it's 7.7 plus 19.3 divided by 2. You should get the middle as being 13.8 or 13.5, I'm sorry. Okay, 11, we got the middle equals the top, which is 12, plus the bottom, which is 14, divided by 2. So we got 12 plus 14 divided by 2. So M should be 13. And you can look at this. If you know that the shortest one is 12 and the biggest one is 14, the only one in between there has got to be 13. Okay, that's a halfway point. Okay, 13, we take the middle equals the top, which is 7.9, plus the bottom, 9.7, divided by 2. Okay, so we got 7.9 plus 9.7 divided by 2 is going to be 8.8. The middle segment is going to be 8.8. Okay, I'm going to leave the rest, all of the evens plus 15, 17, and 19 for you guys. Okay, get those done and then put them in the box. And I will see you guys on Wednesday.